Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you my new Hama Wi-Fi socket, Wi-Fi Power Socket, 16 ampere socket. I ordered it from Amazon. So if you want to buy the same, you can check the link below of the video. It's not expensive. It's really cheap, I think. My opinion of you is that it's cheap, and you can control with this your electrical appliances by application, as is Alexa, this or Google Assistant. You can see check here and here, these two possibilities, and this Wi-Fi socket makes everyday life more convenient. Switch the standard lamp on or off and turn on the fan on hot summer, etc. Or if you want to go to bed, or switch on the Christmas tree in the living room. You can choose when you want to use. So I would like to unboxing together with you this product. So we have here this plastic. So I can do this like this. Okay. So it's packaging like this. I can choose outside. Inside you can find also the papers, some instructions, and just this carton, nothing more. So if we check the manual, we can see all the languages in the Europe, I think, or for also Russia. So Wi-Fi stack to 16 ampere, Wi-Fi power socket 16 ampere. When I find the English or Great Britain GB operating instructions, so you can see it's so simple. Technical data and safety notes. I don't want to read this, but, and here's something, I don't know what is this. This is not mine. Very interesting. Okay, now we can look at the socket. So we have also information here, and if you want to use this, here is any button for set, and what you need to do then, you need to do a direct connection without gateway, central control, just via WN and application. It's the installation without extra costs. So if you want to install something, I think that just right here is the application. So I can try it with my phone. So I take the camera and I would like to scan. So open the QR code, and we have here this immediately, and now we can see the downloads. Here is just the manual, so we don't need manual now, but we want to accessories. So here is the assistant. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to uh, download the application on your phone and how to connect this power socket with your phone. So thank you for the watching. Don't forget to order and see you in the next video.